So as we come over the trees here, you're going to be looking at the McGinley Family Limited Partnership property. This is where they are doing the Florida Crossroads Commerce Park. This Commerce Park is over 1,000 acres, or close to 1,000 acres I should say. It's right next to Marion Oaks. Marion Oaks has 8,000 homes, approximately 15,000 residents. You'll be able to see Marion Oaks later. We'll get a close-up of that building later on, but as we pan to the right here, you see just all of the acreage that they're using to build this Commerce Park. The Commerce Park is planned to be home to about 1,000 businesses and 1,000 employees. Actually, it'll employ so the Commerce Park's going to employ 7,000 people on nearly 1,000 acres. The county plans construction for roads and traffic. There is a planned overpass going off of Highway 42 into Marion Oaks to alleviate some of the traffic off of 484. They're also widening 484 in front of this Commerce Park. You can see that they're just getting started on a lot of this stuff. The Ocala World Equestrian Center is planning on having its soft opening coming up in October, unless that's been changed. They are actually estimating that Marion Oaks, which is behind what you're seeing right now, it's behind that tree line, Marion Oaks will have the population of Ocala by the time this build out is complete. This was the McGinley family farm. They had this farm, I believe, since the 1950s, but decided to turn it into this Commerce Park. It's going to be massive. You can see some of the homes behind it here in Marion Oaks. You can see the roads that they're using to bring everything in here. It looks a lot like the Villages areas that we've been doing videos on, with the new construction and the build out coming in. You see the overview of the building now. They're almost done with the roof. And then you see how close it is to Marion Oaks. There is a lot of vacant property in Marion Oaks right now that they're planning to build out with both homes and a lot of commercial business, including restaurants and shopping plazas. 44, they're expecting to become the new 200 in the Ocala and Marion County area. So as we spin around here, you get another view of the building, and then we're going to come back across and out into the front, where you can see through the inside all of those windows and doors. This is not the Dollar General warehouse. That is actually out to the north of Ocala, which is the direction we're going now, is north. 484 is actually right there, that road that is coming across your screen. And then this road leads out to 484. You can see they're not even close to complete with the entire area as we spin back around to the south. Here is a better look at the front of the building as we come back across the south. Thank you for watching the video. It would mean the world to me if you would like and subscribe. Also ring the bell so you get notifications when I put more videos up. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this of the villages and construction, along with other videos of the area and what we have going on here. So if you'd like to follow, please make sure to like and subscribe, and also ring that bell.